Bitcoin's rebound pushed most investors back into profit. Bitcoin market. Per the analysts, the market's ability to hold the short-term holder cost basis during such a volatile and uncertain period is a constructive signal, suggesting that the bulls are still in control, and that underlying momentum may remain skewed to the upside. Journalist Fadilpašić. Journalist Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 3, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin has rallied above $107,000, taking the vast majority of investors back into profit, says blockchain data platform Glassnode, with total unrealized gains hitting a whopping $1.2 trillion. The coin currently stands at $109,716, having appreciated 2% over the last 24 hours. The market overall is experiencing an uptick, with nearly all coins in green at the time of writing. Also, looking at both the market capitalization and realized cap measures, Glassnode found substantial growth this cycle. The former surged from $304 billion to $2.13 trillion, and the latter jumped from $400 billion to $955 billion. Together, they highlight not only the substantial capital inflows into Bitcoin, but also its maturation toward becoming a multi-trillion-dollar asset, it argues. Moreover, the total unrealized profit is currently at $1.2 trillion. This indicates the substantial value appreciation which BTC investors have seen, as well as the incentive for potential sell-side pressure that may emerge if sentiment shifts. Meanwhile, the average paper gains, losses held by the average market participant, stand at plus 125%. The report claims this suggests that BTC investors are sitting on significant profits. This number is still lower than the plus 180% profitability seen in March 2024, when the price hit the ADH of $73,000, and December 2024, when it hit $0.00000. That said, some $872 million worth is locked in profit daily at this point. This is lower than the $2.8 billion and $3.2 billion in realized profit seen during the ADHs of $73,000 and $107,000. Respectively. Notably, the report highlights, recent drops didn't significantly impact investor profitability. Moreover, valuation frameworks show a positive profitability across holders of all coin ages. The market jump comes after several days of consecutive, albeit relatively minor, decreases that followed Israel's attack on Iran, resulting in casualties and further conflict in the region. Given that geopolitical headlines influence the crypto market, the risk of further downside remains, Glassnode says. However, the decrease in tensions between the two countries helped stabilize market sentiment and fuel price recovery. Moreover, per the analysts, the market's ability to hold the short-term holder cost basis during such a volatile and uncertain period is a constructive signal, suggesting that the bulls are still in control, and that underlying momentum may remain skewed to the upside. You may also like, crypto market enters holding pattern and fatigue grows. But will the bulls stay? The world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, BTC, has remained range-bound recently. This comes as crypto market profit-taking slows, spot volume fades, activity metrics cool, and future sentiment turns cautious, according to the latest report by blockchain data and intelligence platform Glassnode. Without a notable influx of new demand, upside momentum will remain limited. BTC has been trading in a $100,000 to $110,000 range, where it has been consolidating since May 8. Macro. Investors brace for possible increase in market volatility. Citing Glassnode data, Fadilpašić, head of investment at Bank, noted that Bitcoin's on-chain metrics continue to showcase the strength of its current market position. BTC supply and profit rising reinforces just how bullish recent momentum has been, Chait says in an email. However, he also warns that elevated levels of profit are often followed by increased market volatility. Historically, when such a high percentage of supply sits in profit, the chances of profit-taking rise. That, in turn, introduces short-term market movements even when there is a broadly optimistic outlook, Chait argues. Meanwhile, the Glassnode report found that, despite a surge in profitability, investor behavior shows a strong preference for hodling. The current price range seems insufficient to trigger significant profit-taking, it noted. Several metrics show this, namely declining realized profits, a downtrend in liveliness, and long-term holder supply hitting a new ADH. The decline in sell-side pressure can be seen in the total supply held by the long-term holder, LTH cohort. It reached a new all-time high of 14.7 MBTC. This underscores that hodling remains the dominant market behavior amongst investors, with accumulation and maturation flows significantly outweighing distribution pressures, Glassnode says. Moreover, the behavior of long-term holders further reinforces this argument. After a brief uptick in sell-side pressure into the ADH, this cohort slowed their spending as well. Finally, the liveliness metric saw significant upticks during the two previous BTC price ADH formations. This suggested that spending activity and profit-taking took over the market. Yet, during the latest ADH formation, liveliness trended downward, reinforcing that hodling remains the dominant behavior among investors, and that a range expansion in price may be necessary to incentivize renewed spending activity. You may also like, why is crypto up today? July 3, 2025. The crypto market is up today, after several days of trending mildly downwards. Nearly all of the top 100 coins per market cap have seen their prices rise over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has remained unchanged at $3.47 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $120 billion, the highest it's been in days. Crypto winners and losers. All top 10 coins per market cap have seen their prices appreciate today. Bitcoin BTC is up 2.3%. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar ChatGPT, predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning. $100 XRP next target. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 95% ETF approval odds plus XRPL EVM launch. Could XRP hit $1,000? 2 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Relust becomes the fastest growing stablecoin. XRP to $10 next? For days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Press releases. Crypto price prediction today, June 30th. XRP, Picoin, Cardano. For days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 4th, 2025. 9 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 9 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.